I was going to do a build video, but family's in here and it's just a pain in the neck to film. So, and I was excited, so I just built it anyway. So we have an assembled system, and see if I remember how to get this off. Look inside. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the inside. I did some halfway decent cable management. So I got a Seasonic Focus 550 power supply, bronze. Yeah, I don't care. It's bronze. This is a Wraith Prism cooler, which for AM4 is probably the best stock cooler that ever came out, and they haven't made a better one since. Yeah, you probably can't see it, but somewhere in here, yeah, you can't see it. I actually have two SSDs in there. So I got two Sabrent 1 terabyte SSDs. This right here is a RTX 4060 that I got on auction on eBay. And the motherboard is a, wait for it, Pro B550 MSI Wi-Fi. So that'll be helpful. I may hook up a regular wired Ethernet to it, but I have yet to determine whether or not that's going to happen. Oh, and I got a pair of G-Skill Ripjaws. So I believe these are 16 gigabytes, so I have 32 gigabytes total. So that's what it looks like assembled. If I am careful, because this table's a piece of crap. It's just been used and abused. But there's a cable management for the back. There's enough room. And I installed two spare Corsair fans. They're not exactly matched, and I didn't plug in their RGB. That's right here. So I don't care. I don't really care that much about RGB. There'll be some from the Wraith Prism cooler, but other than that, that's it. So yeah, in the next clip and or video, you will see it powered on and with an OS installed.